man, and he gets his best ideas from a newspaper stand. From his boots to his pen, to his commentators' rants, he knows that any little article will do. Though he expresses some confusion about his part in the plan, and he can't understand that he's not in command. The decision's underwritten by the cash in his hand, by the sweater for his one around or two. No, I'm no madman, but that's insanity. It's before feminine, more before family. Goes and shows up with more bows and more cups, and the ride for the last hot meal erupts his hard drive to the leanest months. Shells out the hard cash for the sickest stunts. On aftershave, on gasoline, he flips the page and turns the scene. In my mind I'm drowning butterflies, broken dreams and